What's going on, y'all? My name is Charlie, and welcome to Gofast Nation. Today, I'm going to be fixing the most hated thing on my 98 Cobra. Yeah, let's check it out. So what is the most hated thing about this car? Well, my personal feelings is that. That right there is the most hated thing on my car. And I got a fix for that. And here it is. Yes. Classic white shift knob. Let me get a little sunlight there. Classic white shift knob with the Cobra logo. Super simple fix. Let me get the tripod set up here and I will show you how it's done. Alright, first thing you do, obviously, is take off the old shift knob. Spin it off here. And we've got our jam nut that goes down here. What you do is you just thread that on all the way down. Then you take the shift knob, thread it down. Now, very important, you don't want to get all the way down and try to crank on it. So what you do is you thread it down until it stops. Okay, right there, it stopped. Now it is almost straight where I want it, but I'm not going to crank on it because it could actually pop the top of it right off. So I'm going to back it off another turn here. Now I can get it dead center where I want it. Then I just tighten up this jam nut right here. Get a 3/4 inch wrench. And then you just hold your knob right there where you want it. Snug it up. And there you go. That's all there is to it. And that looks a million times better. I absolutely love this thing. But yeah, that's all there is to it. And I can't believe how much of a difference it makes just on the interior aesthetics of this car. Love it to death. So yeah, there it is. Installed. The thing I love most about it is that the Cobra faces forward on both sides. And look how detailed the engraving is. Super clean. Everything's precise. Doesn't look like a 4-year-old scribbled on it with a crayon. But yeah, I got this shift knob from Twisted Shifters. I think it was on Amazon. I don't know, the wife found it for me. But yeah, there you go. Hot rods to haulers plus. So here's all their information right there. Screenshot it if you're looking for a shift knob. I don't have any affiliation with them, but there you go. Now, I'm going to take you for a quick little ride. Let me zoom out a little. Good Lord. Whoop, wrong way. So let me set up the little mount here and take you for a ride and see how it feels. I can tell you right now, this thing makes this Hirsch shifter that I initially really hated feel a million times better. I know it's weird. It's just a shift knob. But the feel of it makes it feel a million times better. I'm a huge fan. I hope the AC's not really messing with the audio quality, but I'm sorry. It's hot. We're in Texas. And I'm a big old boy. I don't like sweating. And do a quick little pull here for you. Here we go. It seriously makes the whole shifter feel like a brand new shifter. It's totally different. But yes, I absolutely love it. There you have it, guys. That's the new shift knob from Twisted Shifters. I love that name. Yeah, it is perfect. Exactly what I wanted. Classic white with the Cobra logo on it, facing the correct direction. That's very important. I'm not going to name who it is, but I did find a Cobra style shift knob where the Cobra was facing backwards. And it looked like they traced it with a crayon. Seriously, like a 4-year-old traced it with a crayon. It's terrible. And they wanted the same price as this one. Ridiculous. But my wife found this one on Amazon for me, and I can't be happier. Absolutely cannot be happier. So anyway, guys, if you liked the video, smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.